So today we are in the Chinata waterfall in Peru. It's but to be honest, it's one of the most beautiful waterfalls I saw in my life. It's just unbelievable. You can see it. Yeah, maybe it looks very small with the wide angle of the GoPro, but for sure it's a huge waterfall. It's like 500 meters from the top. Just crazy. I have a very nice zoom shot of this part. I will make for sure like black and white, very powerful black and white. So I'm pretty happy. You can see I have my zoom lens here. So, and we're still in the rainforest. It was very hard to be there. The trail is very difficult. Very difficult. Very sleepy. There are some very dangerous parts. It's not for everybody. Yeah, I'm very happy. Bye bye.